Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I figured it's been a long time since I did a what's in my nail polish stash video. Now the last time I showed this container, I was switching it out of boxes because I've had it packed up for like a year since I moved. And I realized I never did a what's in my nail polish stash collection on this. So I'm going to quickly go through it because as you can see, it is a ton. So I think this will be what's in my nail polish collection part 7. So I just want to show you guys some of the cute little polishes I have. Like I said, a lot of them have been in here a long time, so they look like they need to be shooken up or thrown away. Let me get you situated and I'll start. Okay, so I tried to put the camera to where I can show you guys. Let me see, look at my shirt. Y'all need Jesus. I need Jesus with all this nail polish, okay? So let's start. How cute is this little snowman? I cannot remember where I got this from. I want to say like Rite Aid. How cute. I'm gonna leave that one out for a little Christmas display. But I have so much, I don't even know where to start. I've got, ooh, this is pretty. Wet n Wild. I got a lot of mini Rimmels. I just seen a bunch of them. Now I can only find one, but I know I'll come across some more. This is a pretty color. This one is sweet lavender. I got a bunch of these Insta Dries. You see, they need to be shooken up. Starting to fade, but I know I can get it back.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna keep this out. This is a pretty peach. This is Maybelline Color Show. I know I got that from Myers. Here's a Broadway Gold. Here's another mini. This is one of my favorite blues in this Rimmel collection.
I got a couple color foils in here. Sally Hansen's. I don't think I've ever used these either. That's definitely untried. Ooh, this is a good Christmas color. What's the name of this one? This is a limited edition. It's called Ruby Refined. That's pretty. Definitely keep that one out. Got a Nicole OPI. This one is Gumdrops. I think it's textured. Oh, look at this pure ice. What's this one? This one is called Wet T-Shirt. This is, I don't know if this is, the thingy is off. Like, what does this remind me of? Either a Revlon. Oh, what's the name of that other brand? I can't remember. What's this one? But this is a fun color. I've used it a few times. This is a holographic color show from Maybelline. Jordana. Remember these? Walgreens is selling this brand again, but they don't have the nail polishes though. That's a
Pretty blue. I love the color blues. I like that a lot. I got one color shows. CoverGirls. This one. Milani.
Fantasy Maker. Wet n Wild.
We have to toss this one. Yep, this is a throwaway. I'm pretty sure I can find it though. This is a Wet n Wild that you'll find anywhere. It's not glitter. I might have that one. Color Stage Zero. Purple.
It's pretty. Here's a Fergie. I use this a lot. You can see it's half gone. Here's a Milani glitter. This one is Sugar Burst. Oh man, look at the lid. Oh my god. You know that's been in there too long. NYC. Oh, this is a perfume Revlon. Scented. I don't know if you guys remember when these came out. It's not focusing. Here's another one. I got this L'Oreal Extraordinaire 2-step. I actually think it's 3. There's a 1, 1, 2, 3, and my number, the other one is somewhere. Well, this is a textured ruffles. No top coat needed. Nicole OPI. I'm gonna keep this one out and give this a try. I haven't tried this one yet. This one's called I'm Stucco. I'm Stucco on You. I don't know why it's not showing up, y'all. Let me see how much time I got. Okay. I only got a little bit of time left, so I'm gonna try to fly through. This was one of my favorite colors when I first got it. This one is Fuchsia Forever. Got a color frenzy in here that's laid flat so long. Look, it's all to the back. I wonder if I can get it to come back. Yeah, it is starting to float down. Might can save that one. What else we got in here? LA Color, Color Craze. If you guys want to know the names of some that I'm going by that I have not named, let me know and I'll let you guys know. This is a really pretty color. This is an OPI. I like this one. Here's another Fergie. Wet n Wild. This is a Pure Ice. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It didn't break. Oh. I was obsessed with these when these came out. I wanted them all. So here's 2 of the Color Show Street Arts. Like fun glitters. That's how that one looks. Gotta hurry. Oh, look at this L'Oreal. That's such a pretty yellow. Like, that's a great summer yellow. This is a good nude. Rimmel, I think it says Cupcake. Yeah, Caramel Cupcake. This one is still being sold. You can definitely find that. Here is a Mega Rocks Wet n Wild. Got that from Walgreens. I can't even believe I can remember where I got most of these. This one I got from Rite Aid. Glow in the Dark. More Milani. Liquid Sand OPI. Ooh, it's a pretty purple glitter. Can't Let Me Go. I got a couple Sally Hansen magnetic ones that aren't even open. These are not open. There's another Mega Rocks in gold. Here's another of the what is this called? Color Show. Maybelline Color Show. Just the tablet is off. This one is called Blue Marks the Spot. I've worn this one about 3 times. I got an NYC matte in here. Oh, here is the step 2. So it's this color that goes with these 2, I guess. But if you have bought whatever Extraordinaires, you can use this with the Extraordinaire Colors number 2. So, I got a Revlon Red Mini. And yeah, that's about it. Here's another L'Oreal. Trying not to show y'all the whole collection, but, well, that's pretty. This will be a nice, like, Christmas color with some white snowflakes, because it's like a icicle like blue. It's pretty. Keeping that out. Okay, so I'm gonna just let y'all look down in here at the rest. Let me turn it. Okay, so this is what's left in here. My nail polish stash is about to cut off, so that is, ooh, that's pretty. That's it for now for what's in my nail polish collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to click that like button. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you guys will be notified of all my Love NailsMas daily videos. And I will see y'all tomorrow.